This is the Storus Smart Money Clip, and today I want to show you how to retension the clip side if it can no longer hold a single dollar bill. First of all, the Storus Smart Money Clip is a single piece of stainless steel. Sometimes it is plated, other times it is just brushed like this product. The clip side is designed to hold a single dollar bill and should do so like this. If it does not and the bill slips out, it is designed, the radius has been designed to be retentioned. And here is how you do it quite simply. You lay the Smart Money Clip flat on a hard surface. You take the butt of your hand and you push down with a stiff arm very tightly. And you will see very quickly that it is fully retentioned and capable of holding a single bill. Thank you.